Hello friends, welcome to our channel to know all about natural stones. In the previous video you saw how the Kota stone mining is done. We visited our mines and learned the process of mining. In this episode we'll be continuing the Kota stone series and we'll be touring the factories. We'll be knowing all about how the process is done, how the polishing, edge cutting, calibration and various other processes are done. The kind of finishes which we see on the stone are all done at factories. So let's get started. We have 3 manufacturing units at Ramganj Mandi, Kota. Let's visit one of our plant. This plant is on a 10-acre plot and has 10 double edge cutting machines, 14 splitting units, 15 tables and various other equipments are there. All major stocks are kept in this factory. What you are seeing right now is a stockyard of finished goods as well as raw material. Any time of the year we have at least 10 lakh square feet of finished product and raw material ready available at our place. This is a 360-degree tour of the factory. There are various sections in the factory. First, the raw material is split into 2 pieces or are polished on a table surface. So first we will be visiting how the table polishing is done. So these are manual polishers. You can see the person sitting on that polisher machine and using his own weight to grind the stone. The machine is equipped with emery stones and different segments are put in the machines to do the polishing of the surface. The first finish which we get is a semi-polished finish. 80% of the product which we sell are in the semi-polished finish. Further polishing is done at site after laying. But we can do the factory polishing also. And various other finishes like leather finish, brush polish are also done using these polisher machines. After this polish, as you can see, the edges of the stones are uneven. They need to be cut into proper sizes. For that, it is shifted to a cutting machine. But before that, we'll visit our splitting plant. What is a splitting plant? Splitting plants are block cutters which are used to split the stones into 2 or more pieces depending on the thickness. So as you can see, these block cutters are used to split thicker stones into 2 or more pieces. They are split using diamond segment tools. Diamond segment tools are brazed on the disc and using water and diamond segments, we split the stone into 2 or more pieces. You can see the splitting being done. And all these machines are splitter units. We have 15 of them. Once these stones are polished, semi-polished or split, now we have to send them for edge cutting. So what we are seeing right now is edge cutting being done using a double edge cutting machine in which 2 or more sides are cut at once to give a proper right angle. You can see the cutting. There is a diamond segment cutter which is there and giving a sharp edge finish to the stone. The stones are cut into various sizes depending on a client's requirement. The most running size is 22 by 22 or what we call as 2 by 2. You can understand it is not perfectly 2 feet by 2 feet, but it is 22 by 22. We require an inch of space from all the sides to make it perfect right angle. So the resultant size becomes 22 by 22. Similarly, for a 2 by 1.5 size, resultant size becomes 22 inch by 16 inch. Bigger slabs of 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 3 by 5 by 2 are also available and are polished similarly. Now we'll visit our calibration machine. Why do we use calibration? Sometimes a client requires a fixed thickness for his product. So we need to calibrate the thickness to make it fixed thickness. We use this calibration machine to make it in a fixed thickness. Stone is put from the one side and calibrated using cutters and comes out from the other side. There is also line polisher machine which we can use to polish them stone. This is all automatic polish, not manual. and gives a better finish. Once the stone is all cut and made in desired finish, it is tagged manually, ready for loading. Now there are two kinds of packagings or two kinds of orders which we generally process. One is export order, another is domestic order. In export, the material is packed into wooden crates and loaded into container. Right now what we are seeing is export packaging being done, and laborers are packaging the sizes, stone cut sizes into wooden crates. For domestic market, we use manual labors and load it loose. You can see there are two trucks being loaded using manual labor. They are packed firmly, and so that minimum breakages happen on the way. So guys, this was our factory which is located at Ramganj Mandi, Kota, and you learned about different machines today. In the next episode, we'll be showing you about different kind of quality of Kota stone, different kind of finishes possible, and different way of application of the Kota stone. Keep watching, do subscribe us and give us a feedback. Thank you.